Kia ora, I'm Hayley from Pacific Harvest. We are edible seaweed specialists and have been supplying a range of ethically harvested sea vegetables for over 22 years. We're deeply inspired by purpose, which is to nourish and restore people and planet naturally. And I'm on a mission to make it easy to eat a little seaweed every day because it is so good for human and planet health. It's hard to think of an ingredient that is as important to the Earth's health as seaweed is. It contributes to producing oxygen. Many reports claim that over 70% of the planet's oxygen is thanks to seaweed. It cools and cleans the ocean. It provides habitat to the ocean's primary producers. It's just quite remarkable. From a human health perspective, it's full of minerals and nutrients, some of which are in concentrations far greater than any land plant can offer. And in many cases, it's offering different minerals and nutrients that you cannot get if you just eat land plants. We believe it's important to see seaweed as an everyday ingredient that everyone needs to be incorporating into their diet in small amounts. For us, B Corp Certification was an exciting journey. It is not, it is just a logo at the end of the day that you put on your packaging, but for us it's much more than that. It is a promise to our community that we are committed through our supply chain to make investments in doing things the way we believe is right for the planet and that will optimize human health. So our seaweeds are all air dried. We work with ethical harvesters and sourced from cool, cold waters in a very respectful and regenerative way. It matters where seaweed comes from because seaweeds are uber absorbers. They like to suck up toxins. So harvesting from clean areas, air drying these heat sensitive seaweeds is important because it maintains the natural mineral density they offer. So we're very proud to join the B Corp community. It's not a destination, it's definitely a journey for us. It's a journey that we will never reach the end of because there's always ways we can improve. But it provides a wonderful roadmap for constant improvement and is our promise to our community that we are committed to this journey and to doing things in our business that maximize return for human and planet health. Thanks for being with us on the journey.